I can make any game in 1 minute. Now usually I would use Unity, but my friends over at HYTOPIA challenged me saying they bet I can't do it using their game engine. And I don't know about you guys, but my attention span is too short for me to be coding for more than 1 minute at a time anyway, so this is gonna be easy. Now, if you don't know what HYTOPIA is, that's probably a good thing, because if you do, then you're spending way too much time on the internet. Take a break. Go spend some quality time with your AI girlfriend. But it's essentially like if Minecraft and Roblox had a baby. And the reason I'm gonna win this challenge is because of this. But why am I using AI to write code? Because coding is like doing math, just less productive. Anyway, so I came up with a quick game idea by myself. So the game is called Donkey Bomb. Let's start the timer and tell the AI exactly what we want. So I've already got the demo scene they give you loaded up, and it's already looking better than anything I could have ever made. So now let's start the timer and let's ask the AI to have a donkey, bombs falling from the sky, and then the game mechanics as well. Now we wait. Okay, all this code that I wrote looks good. Let's accept it and let's see what the game looks like. Okay, wow, I really did not think that would work so well first time. But it does look like the bombs aren't killing us, and there are way too many bombs falling at the same time. So let me quickly just write some code for that, and that should be fixed any second now. And then I also wrote some death screen and winning screen messages. But let's see what the game looks like now. Right, so let's start it up again, and I'm gonna try run into one of these bombs just to see if it... There we go! You lost to a donkey. But hey, at least the game works. And stop timer. That has to be a new world record. Rockstar needs to hire me, because if I worked at Rockstar, GTA 6 would be out 10 years ago. Anyway, let's start the game again and play for real, because there's no way I'm losing twice in a row to a donkey. Okay, there's no way I lose again. Let's... Where's the donkey actually? Oh sh... Okay. Editor, cut that one out. Just need to survive these bombs. Where's the donkey? Oh, it's there. Oh, the donkey fell over, but it's somehow still... Oh. That one doesn't count. Let's play for real this time. Okay, so before I die to a bomb, what if I just... You know... very slowly... Yeah. Thanks HYTOPIA for sponsoring this video. It was super fun pushing the donkey to its death. And subscribe.